Fernando. Ay, Fernandez. Calipio. Fernandez. Three. Bang! Pass to Garcia. Pass to Valencia. Posting up against Gasly. Bakit? Valencia. Stolen. No, Pierce. Fernandez. Wise basket and one Rondari. Pass to Garcia. Bounce pass. Garcia. Lace. First blood. Garcia. DFAM semi-finals. Bacara versus Pagudpud. First ball possession. Pagudpud. Rondaris to the middle. Stops to Fernandez. Pass to the middle. Pass to the wings. Rodrigo. Rodrigo crossover. Kicks out. Open look takes. And pass. Lost the handle. And is Cabinyan. Pass to Garcia. Bounce pass. Garcia lays. First blood. Garcia. Laglag sa idol. Rondaris. Lays. One go. Rebound. Backdoor inbound. And is Rodrigo. And pass inside. Bakit? Tagging. Calipio. Pass to Fernando. Ay, Fernandez. Calipio. Fernandez fires at 3. Bam! Fernandez! Valencia. He pass to Garcia to James. LeBron James. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Valencia. Posting up against Gasly. Bakit? Valencia! And use James. LeBron James. Dribbling at the top. Pass to Garcia. Garcia to Valencia against Fernandez. Valencia lays short. And the pass break now. And all alone, Calipio. Bakit? James dribbling the ball at the top. Goes to the wings for the screen. Stops. Pass to Cabinyan. Natapikan. And ball is stolen. Calipio. Lays short. Reput back. Oh, the save. Cross the mid lane now. James stops. Pass to Godoy. Nililinisan yung mga kasama. Godoy. Crossover. Spins. Falling away. Bullseye! What? Stolen. No. Pierce. Fernandez. Pass. Basket and one. Rondari. Godoy. James. Between the legs. Spins. Attacks against Rondaris. And here goes Calipio corner. Open look for 3. Too strong. Rebound. And here's Calipio. He stops. Pass to the corner. Open look for 3. Negative. Rebound. Fernandez. Biso. Sinausaw. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Valencia. Lays. Bakit? Valencia. Pass. Fernando. Rodrigo. Calipio between the legs. Attacks. Inside pass. Rondaris. Rodrigo floater. Short. Rodrigo put back. Short. And here's Garcia. Pass to Senson for 3. Bang! Pass to the corner. Stops. Pull up J. Nugget. Rebound Saison. For 3. Garcia. Bang! Corner. Rondaris. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up J. Short. Rebound put back. Rejected from behind. For the inbound. Rondaris looking for receiver. Pass to and attacks. Lorenzo Lace. Nugget. Up. Battle for the rebound. And the pass. And 2-on-1 ang laban. 3-on-2. Lace. Off the pass. Bakit? Godoy for the inbound. Pass to the middle. Deep 3. Nugget. That's the end. Calipio. Kicks out. Fernandez attacks. Corner pass. Open look for 3. Bang! James. Against Rodrigo. James. Spins. Lost the handle. Recover. Picks. Goes inside. Floater. Bakit? Saison. Pass to Fernandez. Corner for 3. Bang! Rodrigo. Cross the mid lane. Attacks, goes inside, Liz, bakit? Rodriguez, here's Godoy. Godoy, pull up J. Good. Wala pa rin. Fernandez, Rodrigo. Rodrigo attacks, floater, bakit? Rodrigo! 6-point lead, 14 pagutput. Saison, pass to Godoy, post up, he spins, lost the handle, stolen. And stolen, Rodrigo. Rodrigo sumisigsag, Rodrigo to the hoops. Not good. And rebound by Calippo. And attacks. It's open look, Edo. Not good. Baseball pass, Saison, nauna na. Godoy. One bounce picks. Easy to Godoy. Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Straight pinasa. In 5. Won't go. And James rejected. Fernandez now. Fernandez 3 on 2. Lays short. And rebound. Rodrigo kakaldag. Falling away. Bakit? And it's Saison. He pass. James to the wings. Valencia. Reverse layup, Valencia, what a shot! 4-point lead, 14 pagutput, Calipio, crossover, loss, recover, to Edo, ball stolen, and the long pass, and hook pass, and now, James binitbit, oh, rebound, Kaldag, falling away of the window, bullseye! Tranya with the ball at the top, against Rondaris, he pass to Garcia, Garcia to Valencia, post up, against Fernandez, fires of the glass, tie game! Rondaris. We are tied at 26. Rondaris goes to the middle. Stop, pull up yet the free throw area. Bullseye! Oh! And is Lorenzo attacks. Corner, open look. They attacks. Side step, floater of the window. Rodrigo will fit. And is Tim Sarat, Garcia to Valencia. Valencia post up. Backdoor inbound for Tim Sarat looking for the receiver. And pass bounce inside. Godoy. Godoy di distansya. Atake to the ropes. Bakit? Reverse layup. And stolen to the middle. Rodrigo sumisigsag. Rodrigo space. Pinabitin. Agad. Oh, pinuanchuro ka. Bakit? Rodrigo. And is James lost the handle, recover. Garcia para 3. Oh, oh, init ng laro, relax ka lang. And down to 1-point lead inside the alley pass, the pass finish by Rodrigo. And the pass to the middle, crossover, Bambi spins, rejected. Oh, stolen, Garcia. My foul. Fernandez, bumitbit, lumipad, Morgan, rebound, put back, Lorenzo will finish. That's the end. Rondaris in hurry, 3-on-1, pass back, libre, easy to, what a tic-tac. Valencia now cross the mid lane. Attacks against Lorenzo, stops bounce, rejected, and pull up Jay Godoy, no good. Rebound Fernandez to Lorenzo to Rondaris, bounce pass back, Rondaris to the middle, open look for 3, bang! 3, and James, pass to Valencia, Garcia, stop left for 3, naked, uy, my foul, and close the mid lane is Rondaris, pass to Calipio. Rondaris goes to the middle, he attacks, kicks out, open look for 3, bang! And it's Garcia, pass to Valencia. Valencia against Lorenzo. Valencia, bump, spins, picks, lays. Now looking for the receiver. To the corner, Valencia. Hastings. Inside pass, lays, bakit, Godoy, down to 7 points. James, again Rondaris goes to the skin. Attacks, goes inside, spins, floater, bucket. Down to 4-point lead. And Ronda is left alone for 3. Bang! Ron kicks out. No look pass, open look for 3. Nugget short. Rebound para sa block. High pass to Godoy. Pass to Valencia. Valencia goes inside, delay, short. Oh, put back shot, Nugget. Rebound pagod-pud. Ronda is long pass. And Calipio lays too strong. Rebound put back. Francisco will. And Valencia pass inside. Pass off the window. Bucket. Baseball pass. And yun. Nauna. Bucket. And nakalusot. Inside lays. So rejected. Inbound now looking for receiver. Kicks out. Takes. Drives. Floater shot. No good. Rebound Fernandez. Fernandez in Harry. Corner, open look, picks, drive. Pull up J. Rodrigo, short. Rebound. Blue. Pagod po, pull up J. Bagay. 56-46. 17 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pull up J. Cabinyan. No good. Rebound. Para sa Blue. Rodrigo. Rodrigo goes inside, fires, bucket of the glass, Rodrigo! That's the... And posting up. Oop, may tawag. Oh, ayan, advice ni Rep. Nice Rep, advice. Good job, saludo sa'yo Rep. For the inbound. Now looking for the receiver. Oop. Corner pass for 3. No good. And stolen by Rondaris. Rondaris. Tumipad. Oh! Grabe na. And here is team Sarat. James. Cross the mid lane. Pass to Cabinyan. Cabinyan. Inside pass. Godoy. Against number 27 Francisco Bump. Hinatid. Oh! Bakit? Ganon ang... Yan, binaba ang bola. Rondaris. Rondaris goes to the screen. He stops. Scores on 3. Nugget. Rebound Godoy. Garcia. Bounce pass. Cabinyan lays. Bakit Cabinyan? Against Rondaris. Pass to Valencia. Bounce pass to James. Crossover. Lost the handle. Recover. And here's Cabinyan. To the middle, open look Garcia, bang! 6 minutes, 25 seconds left on the final quarter. And pull up J. Rodrigo, won't go too strong. Fernandez pinabitin, wala. Fernandez pa rin, follow up shot. Bucket for 2. And James attacks, bump. Lost the handle, dive for the ball. Be secure the... Oh, init ng laro, relax ka lang. Mag-ice ka muna. And ball possession, pagod-pud. 61-55, bounce pass. 6-point lead, 14 pagod-pud. Pass to Rodrigo, deep 3. Bang! Rondaris. Behind the back to ball. Attacks, corner pass, open look for 3. Bang! Stolen. And Garcia spins, stolen back. Alipio. High pass. Fernandez. Alipio. Alipio crossover. Stop, pull up J. Nugget. Godoy. Behind the back 3 ball. Stolen. 3 on 3. Rodrigo nakalusot. Pinasa sa gitna, Rondaris, play short. Rebound, put back, wala pa rin. Grabe, wala nang nag-shoot. Stop for 3. Wala pa rin, ang alat nyo. Ang ganda talaga ng laban, walang nakaka-shoot. Rodrigo attacks. Space, fire. Easy to Rodrigo. Wala nung maangat na yung pani Idol. Binitbit na, binitbit si Idol, binitbit. against Fernandez. Godoy, hihahatid sa lobby, spins. La rejected! Oh! Fernandez. Francisco. Sa gitna. Oh, deep 3. Bye! 4-3. Congratulations, team Pagudpud.